Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akmal Hakim bin Abdul Halim. My ID number 561031211166. So my class sheet material is L01. So now I want to share to you about the polymer. The definition of the polymer: very large molecule made when hundreds of monomers join together to form long chain. Polymer is used as a synonym for plastic. So the next slide will proceed to Muhammad Yamin. That's all from.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Yamin bin Ibrahim. Nombor ID student saya adalah 5610412124. Saya dari kelas L01 dan saya hari ini akan menceritakan tentang characteristic of polymer. So characteristic of polymer have low density, good corrosion resistant, low coefficient of friction, poor tensile strength, good moldability, low mechanical properties, poor temperature resistant, and last one can be product transparent of different colors. So next one is basic polymer structure. The first one for basic polymer is linear polymers. Resemble spaghetti with long chains. Since these bonding types are relatively easy to break with heat. Linear polymer are typically thermoplastic, so heat break the band between the long chains, allowing the chains to flow past each other, allowing material to be remolded. So the next basic polymer is cross-line polymers. So cross-line polymer has ladder or how cross-line polymer look from one backbone to another. The chain connect cross-line polymer are therefore bound together by covalent bonding as opposed to linear polymers, which are held together by weaker van der Waals force. So the third one, basic polymer structure, is branch polymers. So branch polymer, media tahu yang branch polymer itu macam berbentuk akar yang membuatkan dia berjuntai-juntai. So the explanation about branch polymer ialah with the addition of the shorter chain diagonally from the spaghetti-like backbone, like same the cross-line polymer but different way. So the different way is they resemble linear polymers. Branch polymer typically have lower density than comparable linear polymers because these shorter chains may prevent the polymer from being packed efficiently. So itu adalah beza antara branch polymer dan cross-line polymer. Tapi ia dalam bahasa yang sama, dia adalah backbone dia antara chain to chain adalah sama. So the last one for basic polymer is network polymers. So network polymer has a complex polymer that have a complex network of three-dimensional link formed by heavy linking. These polymers are thermostatic polymers because it's visual. It's possible to soften them when heated without impairing the underlying polymer structure. So that's all for my explanation about basic polymer structure. So thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Hafiz bin Aminuddin. My ID number is 561031211267. I am from group L01. I want to talk about the advantage of polymer. The polymer are more resistant to chemical than their metal counterparts. Polymer parts do not require post-treatment finishing effort unlike metal. Polymer and composite material are up to 10 times lighter than typical metal. Polymer are naturally radar absorbent as well as thermally and electrically insulating. Polymer materials allow the oil and gas industry to explore deeper depths than ever before by offering tool weight reduction without a loss of strength as well as materials which offer superior sealing. And then the disadvantage of polymer. They cannot withstand very high temperature as all plastic melt down very soon as compared as compared to metals. The strength to such ratio of polymer is less, while for metal is more. Cannot be machined easily and limited speed for machining or it. Heat capacity of polymer is very less, so cannot be used in heat applications. Heavy structure cannot be made by polymer as the structural rigidity is very less. The disposal becomes an issue as polymer cannot be recycled, but all metal can be recycled.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Faris bin Ali from L01 Ship Material. My ID number is 56103121108. Today I will talk about application of polymer. The first one is medicine. Many biomaterials, especially heart valve replacement and blood vessels, are made up of polymers like Dacron or Teflon. The next one is consumer science. Plastic containers of all shapes and sizes are lightweight and economically less expensive than more traditional containers. The third one is industry. Automobile parts, pipes, tanks, packing materials, adhesive are all polymer application used in industrial market. The next one is sport. Playground equipment, golf clubs, swimming pools, and protective helmets are produced from polymers. Type of polymer. The first one is natural polymer. Second one is homopolymer. Third one is copolymer. The fourth one is thermoplastic, and last one is thermoset. For the natural polymer is a polymer that result from only raw materials that are found in nature. For explanation, is example of naturally occurring polymers are silk, wool, DNA, cellulose, and proteins. Natural polymers have been extensively used in a range of medicinal applications, including pharmaceuticals, scaffolds for tissue regeneration, drug delivery system, and imaging agents. For innovative polymeric materials, we have a nanosystem, coatings, composites, films, and membranes, and micro needles. For advanced application is active food packaging, fuel cells, wound healing and drug delivery, water remediation, and other application. That's all from me. Thank you.
My ID number 560131212047, and I am from course DME and Ship Material Group L01. Okay, I'm gonna explain about homopolymer versus G-polymer. Explanation about homopolymer. Polymer are formed through addition polymerization, single type monomer, and common example include nylon 6, nylon 2, polythene, polypropylene, PVC, or polyvinyl chloride. And explanation about G-polymer. G-polymer have formed through condition polymerization and has 2 or more type repeating unit and has a complex structure. Example include a polyvinyl acetate, polyethylene oxide. Next, thermoplastic. Thermoplastic, any plastic polymer substance that become malleable or moldable at a specific high temperature and solidifies upon cooling is referred to as thermoplastic. And explanation about thermoplastic. Before thermoplastic polymer can be used, it is normally mixed with additives such as stabilizer, plasticizer, lubricant, flame retardant, and colorant to improve the polymer's functionality, stability to appearance. In other in order to increase mobility of multiple chain segment, decrease the glass transition temperature, and reduce brightness. Polyester can be added. Stabilizer, for example, are added to a material to prevent degradation from heat or sunshine. Example of semi-crystalline polymer are polyethylene PE, polyamide PE, and polypropylene PP. Thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Irfan Alif bin Yusmadi, and my ID is 56-103-121245, and I will talk about thermoset. Thermosets, also known as thermosetting resin or thermosetting polymers, are usually liquid at ambient temperature before turning solid upon heating or upon the addition of a chemical, for example epoxy resin, melamine formaldehyde, and polyester resin. Here are some of the pros and cons of thermosets. The pros. Durability. Thermosets are highly resistant to heat, chemicals, and physically stress, making them highly durable and long-lasting. Strength. Thermosets have a high degree of mechanical strength, making them ideal to use in structural application that require load-bearing capacity. Fire resistant. Many thermostats are highly resistant to fire, making them ideal for use in application when fire safety is a concern. Thermostats are cheaper than thermoplastic, and the cons is high temperature required for curing. Brittleness. Some thermostats can be quite brittle, which can limit their use in application where impact resistance is important. 3. Long curing times. The curing process for thermostats can take a long time, which can limit their use in application where fast processing times are important. 4. Limited temperature range. While thermostats are highly resistant to heat, they can become brittle at very low temperature, which limits their use in application that require low temperature performance. Reference. This is the Google reference that we use in our slide. Okay, that's.
My name is Ahmad Imran bin Ahmad Nizam, and my course is TME. I now want to tell about new material. Its name is mesh ink. Mesh ink means were as labor intensive as good croissant made in a French bakery. So the characteristic for mesh ink is first, good electrical conductivity. Mesh ink are excellent conductor of electricity, which make them useful in electronic devices such as batteries, supercapacitor, and sensor. Next is high surface area. Mesh ink have a very high surface area, which make them effective at absorbing and catalyzing chemical reaction. These properties is particularly useful in energy storage and environmental remediation application. The third characteristic is good mechanical properties. Mesh ink are strong and stiff materials, which make them suitable for structural application. And last characteristic is hydrophilic nature. Mesh ink are hydrophilic, which means they are attracted to water molecule. This property make them useful in water purification and desalination application. So that's all from us. Thank you.